Welcome to the World News Network. In today's broadcast, we'll bring you the latest updates from around the globe, from political developments to groundbreaking discoveries and everything in between.
Inter Miami, Real Salt Lake. Messi sets up both goals as Inter Miami kicks off season with 2-0 win over Real Salt Lake. Arsenal face fears of continuing Champions League hoodoo. Naive Arsenal still lacks savvy for Europe. Freestyle motocross rider Jo Archer dies while practicing extreme jump. Actor and comedian Ewen MacIntosh, best known for playing Keith Bishop in Ricky Gervais' original United Kingdom series of The Office, has died. He was 50. The Kentucky Wildcats fell to the LSU Tigers in Baton Rouge by a score of 75-74. Elon Musk visits White House. The Tesla CEO's quiet meeting with President Biden has sparked speculation about potential collaborations. Biden cancels $1.20 billion more student debt. Despite a recent setback in court, the Biden administration is continuing to provide debt relief to student loan borrowers. Protests erupt in Texas. Parents and community members gather near the superintendent's home ahead of a trial concerning a black student's suspension over dreadlocks. Alabama hospital pauses IVF. A state court ruling declaring frozen embryos as children has caused a major hospital to halt in vitro fertilization treatments. Coalition government deal agreed. Pakistan People's Party, PPP, and Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, PMLN, have agreed to form a coalition government with Shehbaz Sharif as the prime minister candidate. This comes despite opposition from Imran Khan's PDI party.